Hey guys, welcome to my video. And yeah, so let's begin. We will be unbagging November's Ipsy bag. Yay! And yeah, last month we realized they changed their packaging. Before it was like a bright, I think my neighbors are vacuuming. Sorry, that becomes loud. But yeah, they changed it from the color they had before. Ooh. Oh, I did also use my points to add on an extra thing this month. So I don't remember exactly what I did. Oh, first thing I pull out. This is so weird. Gigi. Ooh, Gigi Gorgeous. I honestly forgot about Gigi Gorgeous. Like, I used to watch her a lot. And I just haven't like gotten, I don't know, I just forgot, I guess. The Gorgeous Contour Brush. Ooh, I don't really care for brushes. He is, you know, because we get them a lot, but this is really cool and it's not just a tiny, tiny one, so very cool packaging. I'm just going to take it out because I'll put it where I put all my brushes. I want to say blushes. Okay, it has this little thing. Cover. That's really cool. I actually haven't seen that on any of the brushes. That's a very good idea. And then yeah, very soft, very nice. It's really good. I like it. It looks a weird shape. I don't know why. And the second thing I pull out is Lush eyeshadow in City Limits. This might have been the extra thing I did get because it's outside of the bag and not in the bag, which is weird because it's not like a huge item. And yeah, I feel like my foundation just looks very dark right now, but I've had her on all day, so that might be it. And this is cruelty-free vegan. It's very cool. Chromatic thing going on there. Chromatic. I gotta check up on fish. Hope it's still alive. I sure hope it is. Oh my god, that was like broken for a second. This is by IBY. I have a highlighter by them that I got from Ipsy before, and I really like that one. It's pretty tiny, but it's very cute. Oh my god, I can't hold it. Yeah. Let's see what color this was. Purple. Ooh, it's like this iridescent color. I feel like I have another thing with this color, but whatever. This is gonna be good for everyday use. Ooh, you can kind of see it there. Yeah, it's pretty. It's very hard to see on camera, but yeah. And then put those items down here. Okay, next item. Oh, the actual bag. I forgot about the bag. Okay, now we're getting to the actual bag of this month. So it's this cheetah print. I don't understand what cheetah has to do with November, but I hate, like, that's the one thing that's been irritating me with Ipsy is they're not, like last month's, it was a Betty Boop one, and I was just like, you could have done something so cute for Halloween, you know? Like, I actually ordered, when I started doing Ipsy, I ordered the Halloween bag they had 2 years ago. It's that pink one, and it is, I ordered it from eBay because I just wanted that bag, and obviously I wasn't gonna get it otherwise, and I paid like $10 for it, and I have that in my car. I've had it in there for like 2 years, and it's so cute. It was like these little ghosts on it and stuff. You guys should search. I think it's probably 2017 Ipsy October bag. You'll know which one it is. Might be 2016. It's pink and it has these ghost things on it. It is so cute, and I just like don't understand like why you have collaborations, like use your products and stuff for that month. Why do you have to use a bag or do another month that's irrelevant? Not like a month that's irrelevant, meaning like May, like something like that. I don't know, there's nothing in May. I think that's big. Maybe like spring, but anyways, yeah, they could have done something with that, and I was like, no. Even last year's December bag, I was like, oh, it should be so cute, and it was just like this silver with a little bit of sparkle at the top, and it was dumb. And like this, they could have, I guess it's still brown, so it reminds me of like fall and November. I don't know, it just does, but they could have done something else with it. Something Thanksgiving related. I don't know. That was my little rant. And then first thing I pull out is, I don't know, I think it's a highlighter. I was actually excited. I looked at my items and I was excited to get whatever this month was because they seem like really good products. The bag itself, it's not awful looking, like it's doable. It's cool. Wander Beauty. Wondrous Glow. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, there's tape on it. It's so weird how much they've packaged these things. Like this one is in that bubble wrap. Ooh, this looks really pretty. Something I will use. After Hours by Wander Beauty. That's her name. That's really nice. I just don't like cardboard. Like it just makes no sense. But ooh, yes, that is very, very nice. Can you see it? There we go. Wow, love it. Love that. Love me some of that. Next thing I pulled out is this Urban Botanics Ultra Glow Moroccan Rose Mask. Yes, I need to do a mask tonight because I'm breaking out. I don't know why. Probably makeup and stress for no reason. Wow. This is so cute. I just love. Like, I like how it came in this thing, you know, not just something cheap in a way. Like it's in this glass plasticky thing, whatever it is. And yeah, that's so cute. Yeah, I will be using, I will be using this tonight. So next item, Nomad Sydney Bathers Manly Beach. Okay. Kisses of Sun Bronzer and Contour. Nomad. It's by Nomad Stony. Cool. Okay, let's see. Everything's so packaged. I mean, it's a good thing, but okay. Nomad. It's like the same style thing. Let's see. Oh, it's a contour. Okay, it's bronzer. I thought it was like a mix half and half. That's very cool, and I feel like it's the shade that I would use for contouring my face. It may not look like it, but I think it will do. Yeah, it won't be like a harsh one, I think. Yeah, a little bit light, but I think I'll like it. Next item, I think it's the last one. I feel like this is so much. Oh, yes. I'm so excited for this one. Pixie by Petra. Pixie! I love Pixie. I don't know, it just feels so natural to me. I love their toner. I got it from Ipsy too, like, I don't know, last year maybe. And I loved it. Yeah. Pixie is just so nice. They're expensive too, so it's really nice when you get like items like that. Well, they're not really expensive, but you know, they're a little bit pricey. Lovely. I'm not gonna be able to open this without scissors, I'm guessing. Okay, I think I'm just gonna open this afterwards. You guys don't really need to see. Oh, got it. Okay. Let's see. It's eyeshadows, and I'm so happy. Naturally Nude Mesmerizing Mineral Duo. I'm so excited to have this because I will be using this as my everyday eyeshadow now. I love, like, the brown. It's gonna be used. Let's see. I just like went like this. I'm not gonna do that to the other one. And I could just feel how soft it was. Like, you can tell it's good quality like right away. Oh my god, and it's showing so much. The bottom, oh my, I'm in love. This is amazing. It's so cute. I love it. Okay. Yay. Okay, I think that was it. And the card was Wild Side, November 2019. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. Very interesting. Okay, I guess Wild Side, that's cool. I don't see why November is like Wild Side, but I mean, it's really cool. Like, I can see this with January, but cool. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects. That's so funny. Far-flung destinations. Cool, cool, cool. Interesting. All right, so I'm pretty sure the item that I did get extra was that number 2, whatever I opened number 2, I think the eyeshadow, yeah. And so that's all my products. Look at this. I was so happy about this one because first of all, I got 2 eyeshadows, I got a whole contour thing, I got highlighter and a face mask and a brush. It feels like full face. That is so amazing to me. This has me, I think this is one of my favorite like products I've gotten in Ipsy. There's not one product that I won't use in this. Like, I'll be using all of these, which is something I don't think I've been able to say. Okay, so that's that, and now I'll do rating out of 5. The bag, like a 3 out of 5. It's not bad, but it's not something I love, as you can tell. The brush, I give it a 4 out of 5. I don't really care for brush, as I said, but this is really, it just seems really good quality, and it's like big, so nice. We'll see when I use that. And then this eyeshadow, I give it, even though I picked it up, I guess I can't really rate it, but I give it like a 4 out of 5. I don't know if I want this color. I think I already have 2 of these shades, but like the packaging stuff, good quality, good stuff. And then the Wander highlighter, 5 out of 5. Seems good. I like the shade of it. Nice. Rose mask, 5 out of 5. Really like masks. And Nomad bronzer, I think 4 out of 5. I think I would do a darker shade, but I haven't tried it on myself, so I might end up liking it. So I like the packaging it came in. Awesome. Well, come on, guess what my rating is. It's 5 out of 5. Really excited to start using that. And that was all my items. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, stuff below, and subscribe.